So I've got some old bananas that I need to use. And what am I going to do with these? Well, I'm going to make banana bread snickerdoodles. Banana doodles. Yeah, let me show you how to make them. The first thing I'm going to do is cream my butter and sugar together. So you will need 1 stick or half of a cup of softened butter, a half of a cup of brown sugar, and then 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, creamy. All right, then I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm going to scrape down the sides of my bowl. I've placed my bananas in a bowl and I'm going to take a potato masher and I'm going to mash them up. Now I'm just going to add those mashed bananas to my butter and sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. All right, blend all this together. So next I'm gonna take a cookie scoop here and drop them into some cinnamon and sugar. Roll them around and place them onto a baking sheet that I've lined with parchment paper. Take my hand and flatten them a little bit. Then bake in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. Oh my goodness. These taste just like banana bread. Holy manoli. I mean, they are soft and cakey, but they taste like a piece of banana bread. Listen, you're gonna want to give these a try. I'm just saying, if you love banana bread, make these, please. Well, thanks so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.